Hsing Station is situated at the highest point of the Western Trunk Railway line. It is the most precipitous stretch on the line with a very unique landscape. The elegant design of the station and the beautiful scenery have made it a popular tourist attraction in the Miaoli region. The station is more than 90 years old and is made entirely of wood, which is why it's so special. Sheng Station was designated a county monument on April 16, 1999 by the Miaoli County government to preserve its rich history and artifacts. Here you can learn about the history and culture of the old train station and enjoy the refreshing atmosphere.
Oh! Wow, what do you call this in English?
I think it's called a rail bike.
The rail bike?
Because it's half rail, half bike. It's like me, half Asian, half European.
So you're half Asian?
I am, I'm half Taiwanese.
Oh!
Is it okay? Is it too fast?
No, it's good.
Okay. Should I go faster?
Yeah, sure, if you want. Whoa!
The Old Mountain Line Railway was completed in 1908 and ceased operations in 1998. The railway runs through beautiful scenery and various cultural sites, which is why it's called the aesthetic embodiment of modern railway craftsmanship. To revive the railway and restart operations, the Miaoli County government revamped the railway based on German and Korean systems and introduced the Old Mountain Line Rail Bike in 2018.
Wow.
I feel like we're in the jungle.
Yeah, the view is good though.
This is so fun. I feel bad I'm doing this. Do you want to try?
Have you ever ridden a bike on an old railway that's no longer in operation? The Old Mountain Line Railway has been rebuilt into an electric-powered rail bike for a smooth, effortless journey. The view is just breathtaking, and we get to explore mysterious spots hidden among the mountains. This is such a unique experience that's not easy to find in Taiwan. Now that we've shown you the amazing landscape along the railway, I'm sure you can't wait to come and take a look yourself.
进入鱼藤坪铁桥，请勿离开座位，放慢速度，保持距离。
铁不出轨。
左方是被誉为台湾铁道艺术极品。板桥长168公尺，特殊的砖造拱形桥墩与大跨距的钢梁所构成。1930年地震时的反复位移，整座桥身损毁严重，而后拆去有安全之余的钢梁。 现今独留砖造拱形桥墩。
That's the old railroad.
Wow.
I think it shatters in the earthquake.
Oh, the big one.
Yeah, I think so. Wow. Okay, I'm.
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. I think so.
Okay. Just look at.
Just look in front.
Yeah, just look in front. Hold.
Holy. Oh. Taking photos.
Where's the camera? Oh, we're here.
Hey.
All right, let's go.
It's fun.
That was so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I like the weather. I like the comfy.
Fun? Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I got a great time.
Did it scare you a little bit sometimes?
Yeah, on the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit high. I'm scared of heights.
Oh, okay. Not of my driving. You're scared of heights.
No, I'm not afraid of your driving. Okay. But do you have a license in Taiwan?
I don't. Can you tell?
No.
Okay. Thank you for trusting me with your life.
But I love driving.
You do?
In the city.
Oh,
it makes
convenient.
me calm down and think a lot of things.
Oh, do you just listen to music and just like empty your brain?
So what is your main how
transportation?
Yeah, transportation.
I like walking. I love walking.
Okay.
And taking a bicycle.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how I usually do it. But I don't have a license, so this was the most I can do probably.
Maybe you can go and get a license.
I don't know. I feel like it's pretty scary here
for
sometimes.
motorcycles.
Oh,
yeah.
it's so convenient, right?
Yeah.
It's okay. You can go to night market, get some
Streets so
snacks.
small, and you can 转来转去. How do you say 转来转去?
I just weasel around.
Yeah, weasel
You
around.
Weasel around.
Cool.
Okay. Well, do you trust me to continue taking on the best day ever?
Sure, let's go. As long as you don't drive.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Fine, I won't. Let's walk. Let's walk.
Okay.
The construction of the Old Mountain Line Railway was a huge endeavor at the time. Its heritage is now preserved through the rail bike, which allows tourists to admire the beauty of the railway in a low-carbon, eco-friendly and healthy way. So, come and enjoy the colorful landscape and pleasant atmosphere. That was really fun. Now we will continue to explore the culture of Miaoli.
Okay.
How are you feeling?
Right now I'm so starving.
You're
I need to
starving?
eat.
I'm actually really happy to hear that. Not because I'm mean, just because we're about to get some really nice food.
Really?
But on top of that, we're gonna have a bit of a connection with the food first.
Okay.
I feel
No
like-
pain, no gain.
Yes, exactly. And if you find a new appreciation for where the food comes from,
Yeah,
I think
exactly.
that actually makes the food taste even more yummy.
Sure.
How about that?
Sure, let's go.
Let's go.
Rice is deeply woven into the fabric of Taiwanese people. It is considered food for the soul in Taiwan. Although Miaoli does not have the largest rice field in Taiwan, thanks to the clean and high quality water, the rice produced in Miaoli has always been really good quality. Here we are at Organic Rice Farm, and it actually floats on a rice paddy. The buildings are designed in a simple, fair-faced concrete style and surrounded by organic rice paddy. The farm also offers many fun activities such as organic farming for yourself and environmental education. You can gain so much knowledge and be inspired to support the rice of Taiwan and cherish the land of Taiwan here. You can gain so much valuable knowledge and be inspired to support the rice of Taiwan and cherish the land of Taiwan right here.
Okay.
Oh,
So Mia, are we having rice cake for lunch?
we are. And the reason I brought you here is because I feel like by deepening your understanding of the process, you
okay.
can also increase your appreciation and it's going to taste so much better.
And they're already preparing what we call the rice cake, and this is the
Red bean,
right?
yes. They're preparing, but we're going to do the work, actually.
Okay. Hi, 你们好。我是 Aaron。
你好。
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 怎么称呼
我是 Sophia。
？Sophia，你好。
是。
奶奶你好。
江奶奶。
米浆奶奶。
江奶奶。
Rice milk。
Rice milk granny.
Granny, yeah.
So cute.
所以你们准备的这些是
对，因为
龟脆。
收割，要稻田收割。那
Big
我们
harvest
正
today.
准备这些昂不会呢，要去答谢土地公。
哦，顺便让我吃，因为我好饿哦。I'm so
是有一个条件哦，
什么条件？
因为你们要吃，要自己做才是最好吃的。
好 OK，就 no pain no gain.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's on us.
Again, yeah.
And it will taste even sweeter at the end since
Yeah.
we made it. The hard work, blood, sweat, and tears.
So let's take the first step. What's the first step? 所以第一步是要做什么？
是，来，我们米江奶奶帮你示范哦。
好，
开始来抹一点油。
What kind of oil is this? 这是什么样的油？
这是一般的沙拉油。
哦，就是沙拉油而已。
对，60，哎，它这边也是
Oh, it feels funny.
60。
60克，然后螺盐，白的先。
Oh my god!
超准。
So good.
OK，很棒。然后圆的，还要用圆的，
压一点点扁扁的，扁扁，两个叠在一起。
哦，还要叠在一起。
对，旁边是薄的，中间是厚厚的，
像一个乌龟的。
哦。
旁边比较薄一点点。
记得要让他们帅一点，
哦，那 OK 啊
让，他们美一点。
这交给我们两个了。
How you doing?
I think I'm doing good.
Oh, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. What do you think of mine? Does it look turtley yet?
啊，中间要有一点凹陷的是
这样，
馅料，好多的馅料哦。
对啊，好多。
慢慢收，
慢慢收，
收，嘿，
就像做我们的包子一样。
啊，对，好，这个要
把它印下去。
哦，用手再压下去。
慢慢推。
Okay, so the beautiful side has to face down because that one's gonna have the pattern printed on.
OK，
这样就可以了。
I love the symbolism of it all because the turtle signifies longevity
OK，
and the color, everything has meaning.
这个要把它
longevity。
Longevity.
背面
Yes.，
对，好，然后这只手就这样放着， 翻过来。
哦，安尼啦，哦，就水耶，哦，你真高呢。
对啊。
哦。
Is ours gonna look this good?
刚才有看到喽。
有。It's your turn, Mia.
I mean,
You first. You
oh,
first.
thank you so much. Such a gentleman.
Yeah. 好。先放进去。
Go, Mia. Go, go, go.
All right. Oh. This is so much fun.
其实我们要做一个 casket.
No.
I saw it.
No.
I saw it.
但是
You-
它是软的，软的，但是
It break.
No, 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 no. Everything's fine.
可以这样用补的吗？
可以啊，可以啊。
Don't expose me like that. Okay.
Here's some leaf, 月草 leaf for
Thank you so
you.
much.
来，尽量把它压下去。
压下去。
Red turtle cake is a staple in Taiwanese cuisine, and it plays an important role in traditional festivals. The owner is very patient and guides us step by step. We're having so much fun making the cake, and we get to learn about the traditional culture in greater depth. Now that we finished making the cake, let's see if we did a good job.
成功了
Hey!
哇，好漂亮
My
啊！
first one.
！Cool, cool, cool.
It's not perfect, but it's cute.
It's
Your
cute.
turn. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see if you can do better than this.
成功了，来。哎呀，
I'm giving it a spa.
The spa treatment.
给 rice cake spa.
反过来，这个反。
哦，这个是这样，
哎，是。
这样，哎，
I think this part.
哦，OK OK。
哎，好，开始了，看它了。
What?
Let's go, let's go. Go, go.
Wow.
Yeah.
两个秀一下，你看。
Piece of art. 嗯，这是一个艺术品。
Beautiful.
Yes. 这些传统工艺真的蛮有趣的，因为很多时候都是快要失传了。
I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
I hope so.
It is so good. It's almost too pretty to eat.
So we steam rice it, steam cook it.
Do we have to steam it?
我们是蒸它吗？
对，待会儿就是我们的蒸笼已经 stand by。
It's really like a spa. First a massage, then a steam room.
那我们就把它放进去，对不对
对，来。
？Put it right here.
It really wasn't until we started making the cakes ourselves that we finally understood how much effort goes into making rice products. The ingredients are produced on this very farm, and every step of the process just shows us how dedicated the owner is to making really good rice products. Alright, Buckle Up, it is time for the taste test. Let's go.
好好玩哦。那我们什么时候可以吃呢？
哦，那要蒸，要到蒸笼蒸，
要蒸多久啊？
哦，不用20分钟。
哦，那很快，那我们先去里面，
休息一下。
不然就
先里面吧。怎么了？还要干嘛？
要去收割才可以吃，居然稻田要收割。
你是不是很想体验？
我非常想，我只是怕你快饿死了，饿死。
没有，你去体验啊，我去。
我替你做，然后我替你吃，
也
好不好？
不行。OK， 所以今天
农民
是
是很辛苦的，你要
对你们真的
吃一餐
很辛苦
饱饭，就是要去收割才可以回来才有得吃。
好，我们试试看好了。
好吧，就
对，
走。
加油哦！好啦，好，走。
While we wait for the cakes to be steamed, we're gonna head over to the next activity.
好的，我们现在已经割完了，我们可以去吃东西了。
Oh my god!
你看这些都已经有人割过了。
I can't believe you. You're really starving, aren't you?
Yeah.
Let's do some work. It's gonna taste so much better. Okay?
Okay.
It's still steaming anyway.
好，那我们现在装备都做好了，然后要请你们教我们怎么割稻，对不对？
对，我们刀子呢，拇指朝上拿在这里。
哦，
对，然后我们施力呢，我们割稻有2个方式。
割稻手
就。比较安全的方式是你这样子拿着稻穗往外，这不会割到自己。这样。
好，那我们来示范，你示范一株给我看。
先示范一次给你们看。
好。哦，这样就好了。
对，把方向就不会割到自己。
那你再示范一个。
好，再示范一个。连起来，连起来。 这样子拉着一把往外，这样就起来了。
好了 ，Good。我觉得我们体验的蛮好的，很有经验。
继续吧。Let's go. Let's continue a bit.
差不多了吧？
反正 it's steaming anyway, so we might as well help them, you know.
我们要割多少呢？
你有看到这边吗？
没有哎。
没有，那再看一下眼科，就是这边还有一大片，就是这一区都是你们的。
你不要跟我开玩笑吧
So fun, come on, this is fun.
很大哎。
我看到我们站在旁边，就是在等你们割。
你们要一起？你们会一起吗？还是只有我们两个？
我考虑一下。
待会先煮个饭，等你们吃饭。
好，割吧。
Look, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, I know.
So lucky to be here.
Yeah, the weather is beautiful. Amazing.
Don't pretend like you don't like it. It's so fun.
Aaron and I are city kids. We've never worked in a rice field before, but we have 2 great instructors here, so I'm sure we're in good hands. The instructor showed us how to cut the rice stalk step by step. As we cut the stalk, we see where the rice we eat comes from, and we begin to understand the hard work of farmers. It's also really nice to enjoy the breeze and atmosphere of the countryside. We learn about the growth stages of rice and experience firsthand that every grain of rice comes from a farmer's toil. That is really true.
The more your success, the more you have to be humble.
Oh.
Just like the rice
Okay.
crops. Yeah.
Because it's like bowing its head.
Yes. When it gets 成熟怎么讲 when it gets
mature?
yeah
Ripe.
when it's
ripe. When it's ripe.
when it's ripe
Ready
那个会往下这样子 humbling down.
That's beautiful. So lots of really poetic, beautiful sayings in Chinese.
Yep. So let's go.
Yes, we're fast anyway. We'll be done in no time.
Yeah, I hope so. So in Austria,
Yeah.
what's the main dish of 那个糖类的来源
Oh, so I think it's potatoes. I think that would be the version in Europe, right? The
Potatoes is
staple-
underground, right?
It's underground, yeah.
Yeah. So do you harvest potato before?
Sorry?
Did you ever harvest?
Oh, harvest.
Potato.
I did actually.
Really?
Yeah. My grandparents are farmers.
Really?
Well, they were. Yeah.
Okay.
So we had corn, potatoes, we had some animals too. We had goats and pigs and cows.
Do you do cheese?
We didn't do cheese. We did pumpkin seed oil.
Pumpkin.
南瓜籽油. Yeah. We have really fragrant pumpkin seed oil. It's so much work to make it. And I feel like it's true. I know I keep saying it, but it really is true. The more time and effort you put into making something, the more beautiful it is when you can actually eat it. Yes, it's like you can taste the effort, you know.
Yeah.
It's so special. Hey Aaron, I got good news for you.
What?
I think the food's almost ready.
Oh really? Let's
I'm
go.
gonna get ready. You can stay here a bit longer and just finish up and I'll get the food ready.
I'm doing this alone.
No.
我也可以做啊。哦，这样很多了吧？可以了吧？可以。不用，这个腰会断哦。这勉勉强强，这样可以做很多东西了啦。那我就先去吃饭喽。
哎，等一下，站呢。
嘿，要干嘛？
我们还要打鼓啊。
打鼓。
这个山上面这样不能吃啊。
打鼓。
对，打鼓，差不多的动作。
我先打退堂鼓好了。
哎，不行，
哎呦，
使用这一台。
这个是不是你们都没有在用的？
有啦。
My God 哦，现在那么现代化，这个还可以用。
可以，真的。
好，来你教我。
给你看，来，这个示范一下。
其实这个这个比较环保，它不用任何的电，
不用柴油什么的。
不用油，所以最古老的其实是现在在讲的 ESG 是最好的。
OK。
Aaron is learning how to use a threshing machine. It's a pedal-powered machine, so when you step on a pedal, the threshing cylinder rotates and separates the grain from the straw. The grain then falls into a container. Do you think he's doing a good job?
好，习惯了吗？对，好，我要上身你了。
这有什么难？拜托。怎么会停了？
你快，来。
我觉得你踩好了。
好啊。
那我要弄了。
好，我们合作一下。
好，合作无间。
OK。
Yo, Aaron, lunch is ready.
可以吃了吗？但我现在不想吃了。
Oh, okay.
我想听音乐。
I'll eat yours.
哦，我开玩笑，我开玩笑，都交给你们喽。还有，这样我把这个弄完。
Thanks to the instructor's patient guidance, Aaron is really getting the hang of it. Although he's having a lot of fun, I can't imagine being a farmer and toiling away under the blazing sun. That does not sound fun at all. We give our sincerest gratitude to the hardworking rice farmers out there. After all the sweat and labor, it is time to dig in.
终于可以吃饭了。
请坐，来。
耶，哇，好多菜哦。这些好像都是很 Chinese， 就是cuisine.
Very traditional.
Pork.
Okay, I'll put these to the side because it's dessert.
Okay.
Let's start with the savory stuff. Would you like some rice, sir?
I would love to have some rice.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I have a very good time. Thank you very much.
Sure. All right, so this is shark.
Shark.
Shark meatballs.
Shark meatballs.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god. Okay.
And lots
Definitely
of
gotta
seafood.
try this one.
Yes.
And what's this?
Oh, I think it's
Tangyuan.
yeah, tangyuan.
Oh, okay.
With I'm guessing peanut or sesame.
No, there's no sesame
There's
in
no
this.
sesame?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pure tangyuan.
Oh, nice.
Chicken.
Yes. And
Okay. Pork. Eggs. And some vegetables.
some veggies. Very healthy.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
So do you say a prayer?
I don't, but if you'd like to, we can.
Oh, I don't have the religion.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Then we could just be
Just
be grateful for nature. And
Yeah. Thank you for the rice. Thank you.
That's so cute. I love it. Okay.
开动吧.
Now that we're even more aware of how food doesn't come easily, we'll savor every bite for sure. This meal reminds us just how delicious rice is, and every dish is made with seasonal ingredients produced by local farmers or the organic rice farm itself. As we enjoy the meal, we start to understand the connection between people, land, and food, as well as the love and respect for the land.
So when are we going to taste our dessert? Our masterpiece.
Masterpiece. Are you ready? Are you
Yeah.
done with the savory stuff?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's get there. Oh. Wow, I'm so proud.
Wow.
I'm so proud of us. Okay. Can you actually smell it?
Smells good.
It smells sweet.
So how do we eat this?
I was just gonna ask, is there an elegant way to eat this?
Maybe like this. We peel the leaf down.
Okay. I'll follow your lead.
Okay. And take the first bite.
Oh my god.
There's ginger.
It's so fragrant.
Yeah.
I love ginger.
I think it's on the outside.
And
Right.
it's the oil?
The oil?
Or the leaf? Something smells really good. Do you think it's the leaf? It's like herbal.
Yeah. Good. It's good.
Fun to make, fun to eat.
米酱奶奶 ，Sophia， 好好吃哦，超赞 ，Thank you。好，今天工作完了，现在很害怕再下到田去。
This farm that floats on a rice paddy has taught us so much. We truly feel their respect for nature, love for the land, and care for the people through each activity and the wonderful meal. Our time here has shown us the importance of environmental education and the promotion of rice culture. We're so glad to have the opportunity to connect with the land and experience a farmer's life, even if just for a little bit. We have seen the incredible amount of effort that goes into farming, and we will forever feel thankful for every bowl of rice on our dinner tables. Now let's continue to explore the beautiful Miaoli County.
Wow, what are these?
Strawberries. Have you ever harvested strawberries?
This will be my first time.
Okay. Are you scared already? We
No,
keep harvesting
I'm
today.
not scared. I'm excited.
Oh, that's good. I'm happy to hear that.
Okay.
Okay.
We're harvesting everything. Strawberries, rice, and the sun.
It's city. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, look at the clouds. They're so pretty. What?
Wow, there's no clouds.
Wait. Okay. So, city kid, let's
Is
go.
that-
Keep harvesting.
Is that 老板娘?
I think so. Should we go say hi?
Yeah.
老娘好。
你好，
嗨，
好。
你好，你刚刚在干嘛？
我们在拔草整理那个草莓，因为那个草跟那个藤子会吃那个养分，
哦，
要把它整理干净，草莓才会长大，而且叶子拔掉，它晒到阳光，草莓的颜色会比较亮，比较甜，
更漂亮
因为晒到阳光就会比较漂亮。对对对对
啊，我以为 strawberries 不用阳光的。
对，一定要。
一定要。
农作物都是要有晒阳光、有露水，但是还要吃，天然都是就是最好吃的。
了解
难怪你们这边特别红，
对，你看草莓都很漂亮，
好漂亮哦。
一定要整理，那个都会吃养分，而且草也要把那个叶子拔掉。
花要拔吗？
花不能拔，拔了就没草莓吃了。
哎呀，我想说摘一朵给你的。
不行哎，先开花再结果。
哦，
对对对。
好的好的，好，我们要采草莓。
我们来采吧。
草莓，我带你一区比较漂亮的，好不好？
好哎好哎，
在后面好不好？那一区更漂亮，更多。
OK。
好，看看
给你们，一人一个篮子，好不好？
好啊。
The Qiaohe strawberry farm in Dahu covers a vast area. The farm is full of strawberries that are as dazzling as rubies, and the view of lush greenery that stretches on and is just absolutely breathtaking.
耶！
你好，你要采草莓哈，我教你们怎么采。
好，
来看草莓，教你看，这样红红亮亮的这种就很好吃，你就摸这个梗的地方，觉得这一颗我喜欢，我就把剪刀这样剪下来。这样子放篮子就可以，你看这样亮亮的，水分都很多，
很饱满。
对对对，就这样就可以了。
好，
然后采草莓留给女生，美女采，然后是来拔草，好不好？
什么意思？拔草。
然后是要做比较辛苦的工作。
我印象中
采草莓给你吃。
草莓的样子不是草啊。好。
你来拔草好吧？
捍卫你的草莓园的工作就交给我了。
The owner is teaching us how to pick strawberries, which actually takes some skills. So, how can you tell if a strawberry is sweet? Just look at the color of the strawberry. If it's bright red, it means it's fully ripened. If the stem is bright green, it means the strawberry is fresh. Bigger strawberries aren't necessarily sweeter. If you don't pay attention to the color, you might get some sour ones. Besides picking strawberries, it's also important to weed the patch, but I'm sure Aaron's got it.
Okay, we have separate missions.
Yeah.
You're really harvesting the strawberries. And I'm harvesting weeds.
You're weeding out the
weeding
weeds.
out.
I never knew that that's why the wild strawberries are smaller, because they don't get as much sunshine because it's covered by the leaves.
Actually, the leaves are similar to the strawberry leaves.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is actually weeds. I thought it was the own. Okay.
So you have to separate it. You have to get rid of this.
Yeah. Okay. These are slightly.
Otherwise, they will
pointier.
Suck out the
nutrients.
Nutrients.
Oh wow.
The Dahu township is known for growing strawberries. It is said to be the home of strawberries in Taiwan, and that's why Dahu is also known as the Strawberry Kingdom. Strawberries are the main cash crops of Dahu. The crop area of strawberries in Dahu is more than 500 hectares. The area and crop yield account for around 80% of Taiwan's strawberry production. So, Dahu and strawberries are basically inseparable. Every winter, the strawberries immediately turn bright red. The harvest season of strawberries is from November to April every year. During the growing season, strawberries will flower and fruit 4 times. The strawberries from each flowering period are slightly different, but they all taste absolutely delicious.
Okay, I think I'm done with weeding.
All right, so you want to grab some strawberries too?
So
a lot of fun.
Wow!
I got a lot. We can share, don't worry.
Whole bucket of strawberries.
Yeah, we can share.
Oh my gosh.
We can share. I didn't think I could take it. Oh my god.
I saw that there was ice cream, strawberry ice cream. So let's have
Can we get some?
Competition.
Oh my god. Okay, fine. What do you want to do?
Loser buys the winner.
Good.
Ice cream.
I look forward to you buying me ice cream.
I got my mini card, and you don't.
That's cute, actually. But
Holy. Okay. You got big
again?
ones.
I'll need space for all my strawberries that I'm gonna get.
But you only have 2 hands, so it's quite fair.
Okay, true.
Okay,
That's
let's
actually
go.
fair.
I'll go that way.
Okay, see ya.
See ya. Yay.
Strawberries have a special place among all fruits. The bright red fruit just smells so good and tastes delicious, and it has a sweet and slightly sour flavor, which is why it symbolizes love and happiness. The strawberries in Dahu are so famous that tourists travel a great distance to come here and pick them. Dahu's strawberries are just so irresistible. Our little competition is coming to an end, but I got a trick up my sleeve, so Erin is gonna treat me to some strawberry ice cream.
快2篮差不多了吧 ？Almost done. Hey Mia,
Yo!
I got 2 buckets. I'm the strawberry machine.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, keep talking, strawberry machine.
Yeah,
See what you got.
I'm winning this competition.
You talk a big game for someone with 2 buckets. Huh?
Why do you have 4 buckets of strawberries? When did that happen?
It's just the magic.
Okay.
But I did it for us. We can share. After
We can share the
after you
strawberry.
buy me strawberry ice cream, we can share.
I will buy you a whole bucket of strawberry ice cream.
Actually?
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Wait. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's buy you some ice cream.
We had so much fun picking strawberries. This farm is definitely the perfect destination for anyone who comes to Miaoli, whether it's couples, friends, or families. Besides picking strawberries, you can also get some delicious strawberry ice cream. Now it's time to grab our spoons and dig in.
Alright, I got these buckets of strawberry that I washed.
Thank you so much.
And here is your strawberry ice cream.
Thank you for honoring your word.
Yep. And here's your spoon.
Thank you. Do you think we should eat the fresh ones first because they're gonna be really sweet?
Okay.
And this, well, I think they add some sugar to this, so maybe we can eat this first. What do you think?
Yeah, we eat the strawberry first.
Okay.
Strawberry beren,
Okay. I want, because you picked really big ones, right? You picked the really,
Yeah.
really big ones.
like this one. It's almost as big as my face.
Sure.
Pick one.
Yeah, I'll pick this one.
Okay, go for it. Cheers.
Cheerio.
Very juicy.
It's so juicy and so sweet.
So sweet.
Good job, Erin.
Thank you. But you win the competition.
But I think your strawberries are bigger and more beautiful than mine.
Thank you. Now, next one.
All right.
Ice cream.
Wow. Oh, they make it here locally. Alice Garden.
Alice Garden.
Wow.
I think they made this ice cream from these.
Yeah. This is healthy, right? This is like a salad,
Yeah.
basically. Okay.
There's some
Okay.
sugar in it.
A little, but still tastes very natural and very healthy. I'm gonna convince myself this is healthy. We're having a very healthy day, okay? We worked out, we earned this, we're eating organic and fresh things.
Yeah. Do you have the similar strawberry farm in your country?
Not like this, it's not like a activity that you can go to with friends or family. We don't have that.
Okay.
Because strawberries are very expensive already. So that would be just a very bougie experience.
The weather in Australia is
it's
suit for strawberries, right?
We have strawberries, but it's kind of harder to grow. It's not as warm and it's not as humid. But we have something similar with apples. Apple picking, yeah. Apple
Okay,
picking
apple.
and plums, and we usually turn things into jam or juice.
Ah, nice. So
It's cute. You can take the kids.
you guys have apple and plums,
Yes, apple, plum, pear.
pear.
Yeah, I mean, I prefer
Okay.
strawberry, but
I love strawberry the
so
most.
good. Really? Actually, yeah, me too. Strawberry, blueberry. Actually, all berries are really good.
After picking buckets of strawberries, we are sitting under the sun and just enjoying the nice day. Here at the farm, you can watch the scenery and take some beautiful photos while picking strawberries. Besides that, you can also take the freshly picked strawberries home and share the wonderful experience with everyone at home. Alright, before we head to the next stop, I'm gonna get a special gift for Erin and give him a surprise. I love surprises.
老板好，请问这怎么卖啊？这好可爱哦！
如果可爱就送你好了，要不要试试我们的草莓酒？
这都是酒吗？
对，我们酒很棒哦，真的哦。
我不知道草莓可以做成酒哎。
这都是我们自己耕种、自己栽种的草莓，拿去酒厂酿造，天然酿造9度。谢谢。
哦，嗯，
超香的，
很香。
对，它的味道很独特。
The strawberry wines I'm trying are all exclusively brewed here. They range from 6% light-bodied wines to 50% full-bodied spirits. I can really taste the strong sweetness and unique flavor of strawberry brewing in every sip. There are so many options, and I can't decide which one I want.
The lovely boss here has taught me a lot about all kinds of products that you can make out of strawberries, and it depends not only on the procedure and the time and effort you spend on creating it, but also on the types of strawberry you use. So there's different types of strawberry. One is called something with milk, like milk strawberry, just like we do have milk pineapple as well. So I'm assuming those have different flavor profiles that can be useful for different kinds of products. And it has been turned into some really fragrant vinegar and different kinds of juices and alcohols of all kinds of percentages. So there has to be something for everyone here, I'm sure. There's also some jam. We have lots of different kinds of strawberry related products here. So yeah, I think everyone can head down here and find something that will, make them very happy and will be a great souvenir for all your loved ones back at home. Now I'm gonna have to choose something for Aaron and I. I'm taking him to a little spa kind of place later today. So I wanna look for something that will just finish off today beautifully. And I'm leaning towards this right here. I was looking at the beer, but I heard that he's more into whiskey, so I'm probably gonna grab this one. It looks pretty intense. So cute. Everything just feels so...
威士忌
Yes?
威士忌
OK, 好，那老板我就先这一瓶好不好？
好的，
谢谢。
OK。
Let's go.
Dahu Wineland Resort is the first winery in Taiwan to produce strawberry wine. It is also the only strawberry wine production area in Asia. Dahu, Canada, and the US are the only 3 strawberry wine production centers in the whole world.
好，可以看哦，草莓大福哦。
草莓大福哎，
嘿，
有办法试吗？
可以呀。
我想试一小口。
来，这边。
这好，谢谢你。
不会。
试这么大一个。
它里面有新鲜的草莓，然后跟红豆泥。
这红豆不是枣泥吗？
啊？
不是枣泥的人。
不是，然后还有那个 Q 弹的皮。
我可以直接用手好了。
好啊。
没关系。好好吃哦。A lot of products that made from strawberries， 所以我买了一个how do you say 大福？草莓大福 ，strawberry and mochi， and I would like to buy this for Mia, and we can taste this at the hotel and have a good night. 走吧。
I can't believe Aaron bought me a gift too. Great minds truly think alike, I guess. We are heading to the next stop, Tai'an. Tai'an is one of the main hot spring destinations in Taiwan. It is also home to the traditional style Sheng Tofu Street, which is lined with grocery stores, snack bars, noodle shops, and restaurants. You can enjoy the delicious food and buy some local specialties here. Of course, how can we not visit the hot spring when we come to Tai'an? What's amazing is that you get to camp and enjoy the hot spring all in one trip. There are outdoor baths where you can watch the beautiful mountains and woods while soaking in the hot spring. You'll also find recreational facilities on the clean and tidy lawn, and events are held here from time to time.
Hi, hey Mia.
Hey Aaron, where you been?
I bought something for us.
Thank you, that's so sweet. Oh my god.
It's a souvenir.
Aw, you keep
It's
feeding
called
us all day.
strawberry 大福.
Dahu. It's not mochi?
Yeah.
Why is it called Dahu?
I don't know.
So good.
我忘记什么，我
Thank
忘记
you.
问他了。
That's okay.
Forgot to ask.
Wow.
然后里面有一个就是 fresh strawberry inside，
What?
有点像我们今天做的那个rice cake.
Oh, this is like
But this
a
is
mixture
sweeter.
of everything we did today.
Yes, and
Perfect.
Yeah, we should try this afterwards.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Actually, have something special planned for now. Do you
Really?
like hot springs?
Hot springs.
Yeah, it's kind of chilly right now, so I
Yeah.
think it could be nice to just have a warm spot to warm up again.
I didn't know that Miaoli has hot spring.
Oh yeah, it's quite famous for it actually. So
Okay. I would
I'm
like
happy to show you today.
Okay.
All
okay.
right. I also got something special for us.
What?
Ta-da!
Strawberry
Whiskey.
wine. Whiskey.
Yeah, I heard you like whiskey. Is that true?
No.
Somebody said you like whiskey.
I might
No, you do.
have some. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
It's a good match.
I think so.
Strawberry
So-
wine and strawberry desserts.
It's a perfect ending to today, I think.
So where is the hot spring?
It's over there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Do you want to go
So-
check it out?
Let's go.
PPTA Glamping Village is a 1,000-year-old hot spring dug recently. It is an alkaline, carbonated hot spring that is colorless and odorless, and the water is very smooth. The village is situated among mountains and valleys, so there's a magnificent panoramic view of the mountains that you can admire while relaxing in a hot spring. And you get to see a beautiful sunset too. The soft light of the lamps illuminate the entire woods, and you get to see a completely different view as you walk along the path.
Hi. See?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Careful. Rewarding.
That looks so
For you.
nice. I got one more gift for you.
What's this for?
It's to make me even more pretty.
Are you serious for this?
Yes.
Okay. Like this?
Machine.
I'm strawberry machine.
Strawberry bunny machine.
So, want to try one strawberry daifuku?
Can I just...
Yes.
Thank you.
And here's the wine. Thank you for planning the whole day.
So, which activity stood out the most to you today?
Riding the bike. Yeah. Along the way, there's a lot of stations that I wanted to stop by.
Right?
But we didn't have the time.
Yeah, there's so much. It's like overwhelming.
Yeah.
It's nice. At least it's not boring.
And also the bridge, as you mentioned, it broke down at, I think it's 1935, I think, because of the earthquake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm proud of us. We didn't get too scared. We didn't scream.
Because of the heights,
Yeah. It was a little scary, actually.
a little bit, but it's too beautiful to be scared.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. And the water down there was like sparkling.
Yeah, kind of like the hot spring right now. So what's your favorite part today?
Actually, I found it really enjoyable to like beat the rice. Like
Ah,
that was fun.
and it took me by surprise because it makes sounds,
Yeah. It's like,
almost like music.
yes.
Yes.
Actually.
Yeah. It makes me think of the music boxes.
Oh yeah, the one that
Yeah.
you like, and they like carved out little points.
That's right.
Those are fun.
And
like
also strawberry picking.
Yeah. You can choose Now you chose everything. I think it's your favorite part.
Because it's fun for
I'm
me.
happy
It's
to hear that. I'm happy.
fresh experience.
I'm very happy to hear that. Everything worked out nicely.
Yep.
Especially I think the first time when you beat it down, when you got the rice,
Mm-hmm.
when it's still full of rice corn, it goes like clink clink.
Yeah. So thank you for planning this whole trip.
Thanks for trusting me to take care of you.
Looking forward for tomorrow.
Yes. Oh my God, so you're not ready. Today was just a warm up. Actually, there's one final little big surprise for you.
There's another surprise?
Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Take a look.
Fireworks!
Do you love it?
Yeah. It's like, the New Year Eve in Taipei 101.
Oh,
Yeah.
but better. 'Cause-
Wow!
Oh my god!
Here in the village, there are outdoor baths where you can watch the beautiful scenery. Can you imagine having a glass of wine with savory snacks while enjoying the gorgeous night view? And you know what? You can also watch amazing fireworks! Just sip your wine while watching the fireworks and immerse yourself in a delightful atmosphere. This will definitely be the most wonderful memory.
So a lot of people want to travel in Taiwan, but they don't really have a clue where to go.
Yeah, which is why I feel like we can just share more places like this with people.
Exactly.
And just give them a taste of what Taiwan has to offer. Taiwan has so much to offer, and
That's right.
it's so nice that I see more and more people actually traveling here, right? And if you come here, I want you to make the most of it. I want you to leave Taiwan feeling like you really enjoyed your time. You got to see all the secret places, all the beautiful places. And yeah, if you'd like to see more, follow me to Taiwan.
Follow us to Taiwan.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You're next.
What an awesome trip we had today. We started at Hsing station and saw the mysterious sights along the old mountain line railway. We also learned so much about agriculture through harvesting rice and picking strawberries. Finally, we wrapped up the trip at the hot spring with the most stunning view. We truly felt how much love the people have for the land in every moment we spent in Miaoli. You may wonder why I love Taiwan so much. Well, just follow me to Taiwan and you will fall in love with this beautiful country too.
Black top through the day.